2020 Nissan Altima 2.5 liter. I'm doing the battery replacement. The battery's right here under this little cloth cover. If your car still has that cloth cover, it's the Altima. Mine is the SR, and then like I said, it's the 2020 with the 2.5 liter. So basically, what we're gonna do is pop the hood. We're gonna come over here, and this little cloth. Someone ripped this before, but it has a little Velcro spot right here. Just undo this Velcro, and you'll be able to flip this forward, and then you'll have access to the terminals. This red cover comes off, you just kind of wiggle and pull it up, and then there's your negative right here. So you got your negative here, you got your positive here, and then there's also a battery hold down right over here. The battery hold down is definitely the most annoying part of this job, but I'm going to show you what's up. So you get a 13 millimeter socket with an extension, and we're going to run it down here and get this battery hold down loose. It'll not want to come out because it's such a tight squeeze in there. So you got to kind of reach down there. Maybe if you have a magnet or a claw, it might help. But I was able to use my hand to get it out. You might have to push the battery forward a little bit. Here's what that battery hold down looks like. I had to kind of like push the battery forward a little bit while it was loose to reach in there and get this. So we'll set this aside. Now we're going to do the terminals. Get the negative off first. It's a 10 millimeter. You don't got to get this 10 millimeter nut all the way off. Just get it loose. Always get the negative side off first. My dad taught me that. No, I'm just kidding. I don't have a dad. This will just wiggle, and you just kind of pull it up and set it to the side. Try not to let it arc back on that terminal. And then here's the positive clamp. We'll get this 10 millimeter nut loose. Again, you don't got to get these off. Just get them loose. And then they should just become like the terminal clamp should wiggle, and then you could kind of get it off. Of course, over time, if you're watching this video like 15 years from now, these will probably have corrosion on them and they'll be stubborn. But hopefully it won't give you too much trouble. All right, so once that's out, I'm gonna lift the battery out, and I put okay, I got this off first. Be gentle with this and try to reuse this. I believe that they're on there for a reason. Remove the battery carefully, 2 hands. I'm gonna do it off camera because I have 1 hand on my camera. Come over here. Here's my new battery. It's a Toyota TrueStart battery, but it doesn't really matter. The brand of battery is a battery. Just match everything up. Make sure the terminals are on the same side. This one has 540 cca, and I believe it's an M5 group battery. This one, I couldn't really tell much from the label, but it looks like it had yeah, this label doesn't really say much. So anyways, I'm gonna put this battery in. Okay, I lifted it in, and then put your cloth on right now. Your battery cloth. I forgot to put mine on, but yeah, put your battery cloth on first. This guy right here. We'll get him on, because if you put the terminal clamps on, you're not going to be able to put your cloth guy back on. I believe this is for like heat protection or just like winter protection. I'm not sure. So once that cloth part is on, we can put this hold down in, and it's going to be kind of annoying, guys. Hopefully you can just get it easily, but you're going to put it down here, and then you're going to get the 13 millimeter bolt started, and then you just tighten it down. Once you get that tight, the battery shouldn't really move much. You could put your clamps back on. Here's the negative here. It has these little covers on. Put the positive side on first. Put this guy on, and then he should go. Just put the clamp down as low as you can, and then just tighten it. You don't got to go insanely tight on these nuts because you're gonna break the battery or the terminal. Just get it to where it's really snug and it won't move if you kind of try to move it with your hand a little bit. Then put the negative side on. Again, try to get the clamp as low as you can. Tighten the nut down. I see people put the clamps on sometimes, and they put it like right on the top of the terminal, and like over time it'll just fall off. We'll swing this over, and then we'll put that on, and then there you go. Under the hood part is done. Good job. Now inside, if you have electronic windows, your window might need to be reset. What you want to do is, if you have automatic windows, roll it up, hold it for 5 seconds, and then after that roll it down and hold it down for 5 seconds. If it doesn't work, then do that procedure vice versa. Also, my collision light came on, but it went out after about 3 to 5 miles of driving. It said like collision warning system or whatever, but it fixed itself after a few miles. There may be a quicker way to fix that if that light even comes on for you. But anyways, guys, so that's the video. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, show me some love, and I'll see you next video. Watching, guys. So I wanted to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot. You can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a Guillermo Auto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in Guillermo Auto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.
You're pretty good.